LinkedIn optimization. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and search for linkedin.com in the search bar. Log into your account using your email and password, or if you do not have one, you need to create a new account first. Once you arrive at the home page, click the Me section at the top of the page, and then select View Profile to continue. After reaching your title section, make sure you have changed your default profile photo and also your default banner. Next, go to the Edit section by clicking the pencil icon below your banner and change your headline to make it look more professional. Then click Save to confirm the changes. Now, navigate to the My Network section located next to the home page and click on it to proceed. A list of people will appear, and you need to actively work on increasing your connections with others. To do this, simply click the Connect button at the person you want to connect with. Repeat this process to expand your professional network.